Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lower freezer drawer on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new lower freezer drawer for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. If you need to purchase a new lower freezer drawer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag of your refrigerator to make sure that you are getting the correct part. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. And that's it for this video, and if you learned something new, hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this or these, please consider subscribing.